Okay, hello. So we will continue chapter 2. Oh, chapter 2 part 3 and that is on the actual design process. Okay, so yung nakikita nyo ngayon sa screen is an example of a banner ad na ginawa ko sa Photoshop kanina. So I will be demonstrating kung paano to ginawa and I will be introducing some sites na pwede nyong gamitin for downloading high quality pictures and for making a logo. Okay, so let's start. So yung unang gagawin natin is syempre is to open Photoshop. So kung na-download nyo na to, good for you. Kung hindi nyo pa na-download, please do so. Okay, so we'll just open. Yes. Ay, open na pala siya. Ayan. Okay, so in-open ko na siya kanina. Okay, pag open nyo ng Photoshop, ang first na gagawin natin is to create a new blank document. Okay. So, please take note guys na ang ginagawa natin dito sa digital design is focus on web designing and not on image editing. So, do not expect me to discuss the process on how to remove a background, how to enhance a photo, how to repair a photo. Hindi po natin yan itatakil dito, but we will focus on designing web design, web banner, and web pages. So, for the meantime, web banner muna tayo. Okay? So, unang gagawin natin, yung click file and click new, lalabas ito. So, you name, it's good to name yung gagawin ninyong banner. So, I'll be making a 300 by 250 banner, web banner. Bakit yan yung napili ko? Kasi kung naalala nyo, one of the first design tip na na-discuss natin kanina is to use an effective standard banner size. And one of those is yung 300 by 250. So, kayo, ang gagawin nyo yung apat na yan. So, you need to pass 4 banner ads. Okay? So, 300 by 250. And make sure na naka-pixels ka in case na naka-inches before you set the width and the height. Make sure na naka-pixels ka and pixels per inch dapat ang measurement sa resolution. So, 300, 250, the resolution. Lagay muna natin 300 although pwede nating bawasan yan mamaya pag nag-export tayo. And make sure na ang color mode mo ay RGB because you are designing for screen display purposes. CMYK kasi is for print. Okay. So, background is white. Click OK. Ayan. In case na hindi mo na iset lahat at you want to make sure na okay ang resolution, height and width mo, you can always go sa image size. So, makikita mo dito, hindi siya image size. Oh yeah, image size in pixels. So, siya yan siya, 300 by 250 and 300 yung ating resolution. Okay. Next, maglalagay tayo ng ating background image. So, ako gumamit ako ng burger na background kasi Banas Burger yung aking ginawang design. So, ito, kinuha ko siya sa Pexels. So, ito yung nabanggit ko dun sa previous presentation. So, pexels.com, kaboompix.com, and freepik.com are sites where we can download high-quality photos. So, pexels.com, pag lumabas to, paglagay lang ng keyword, for example, burger, and press enter, lalabas na dito sa baba yung mga high-quality photos related to that search keyword. So, ito yung dinownload ko. So, just click that and click free download to download this photo. Ganun lang siya kadali. So, ako meron na akong na-download. So, I will just place this to Photoshop using any of these methods. So, yung unang method is to drag that papunta kay Photoshop and drop. Okay, using your mouse. Another method is you go to File and then Place Embedded. Click that and then Place. So, mapapansin nyo, meron siyang placeholder. So, ibig sabihin, ready siya for transformation. Pag sinabi kong transformation, you can resize or you can move or you can reposition. Okay, so tuturuan ko kayo ng technique kung paano mag-resize without distorting the photo. Take note na ang ating itadrag will be the corner, placeholder, and not the middle or the center. Uulitin ko, you drag the corners and not the middle or the center placeholder. And if you want to resize in place, yung hindi siya mag-move to the right or to the left, you hold Shift and Alt, and then drag the corner to resize the photo in place without distorting it. So kung okay ka na dyan, you press enter and position. Okay? In case na hindi ka okay sa size and you want to resize it again, you just press Ctrl T as in tatay para lumabas ulit yung placeholder and you can resize that again by holding Shift and Alt and by dragging the corner placeholder. Ayan siya. Okay? And ang mga ine-embed natin na mga photos, since embedded siya, nagiging rasterized siya. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-edit or using the editing tool. So, para ma-edit mo siya, you just right-click that photo or that layer and select rasterize. Where are you? Ayan, rasterize layer. Ayan. Okay? Next, maglalagay tayo ng background for this para hindi naman halatang nahati siya. So, I will select this layer and I'll select the eyedropper tool. I want this color to be the color of this. Eyedropper tool, by the way, is used to copy a color. Ayan, so kung napapansin nyo, pag clinic ko dito, yun yung nagiging color doon. Pag clinic ko dito, yun yung nagiging color doon. Yun ang gamit ng eyedropper tool. Okay, and if I want to apply this color to this background, make sure na nakaselect yung background and using your paint bucket tool, click. Okay, pero obvious pa rin yung kulay na nahati. So I'll be using another tool which is the smudge tool and I will smudge this. Okay. Smudge. Yan. Smudge. Where's smudge? Ayan. And mag-smudge lang ako. Para hindi halatang nakat. Okay. Next, I'll be placing the logo. So, may ginawa na akong logo. If you want to create your own logo also, you can use CorelDRAW. Ginawa nyo na yan. Or you can use Photoshop. Or pwede din naman kayo mag-online. So, nahanapan ko lang to. Free siya. Wala siyang watermark pag na-save. You can watch this video. You can follow this link and watch this video. Or directly click this link para makapunta kayo dun sa online logo maker. If you want to make. So, ako gumawa ako dito ng logo. And nagawa na siya. Ito na siya. Ayan. So, I'll be placing na my logo. Diyan. This is my logo. And I will resize by pressing Ctrl T and holding Shift Alt to resize in place. So, move tool is used to move. Okay. Next. Tama ba yung aking na... Oh, yes. Okay, next, I'll be placing na the text. So, yung text natin ay Buy One Take One Anniversary Promo. Okay, so I'll be selecting my type tool and I'll be entering Buy One Take One Anniversary Promo. And ayoko ng kulay, so I can use my character. In case nawawala ang character ninyo, you can always go to window or any panel na nasa Photoshop nyo, you can always go to window. And i-check nyo lang, make sure na may naka-check sa tapat. Okay? So I'll be using white color and I will resize this at medyo. Okay, next, I'll be using a shape, rectangle shape for my CTA. or call to action button. And I will change the color to, okay, wait lang. I will just check the color of this. I want this color. So the code or hexadecimal code is that. I will just copy for me to use that color in my shape. Okay, so this is my shape. And I want the color of this to be that also. Rasterize. Okay, and maglalagay ako ng text order now. Siyempre, the color of my text should contrast with the color of my box. White is better. Okay. Ayan. I think I'm done. Am I? Okay. So the color of anniversary promo is also yellow. So I can paste here yung kinapi ko kanina na code. Ayan. Okay, so this is now my first banner ad. So I will save this. To save this, you go to File, then Export, Save for Web. So you can see here, or you can set here kung ano yung type niya, kung JPEG ba siya or PNG ba siya. Yan. And then you can also set here the image size. And makikita nyo na din dito kung ano yung size niya. So 24.66 kilobytes. So hindi naman natin violate yung 150 kilobytes ni Google Ad Form. So that's okay. So click Save. Save natin siya sa desktop. And let's name this banner ad 300 by 250 or any. Then click Save. And if you want to view this, kung paano yung itsura niya sa isang website, you can right-click that and open with Internet Explorer. Okay, so ganyan na yung itsura niya pag pumunta siya sa Internet Explorer. So that is how to make a banner ad in Photoshop. Thank you for listening. So if you have questions or merong hindi clear, you're free to ask anytime.